I don't know if technically speaking this is the saddest video I've ever had to make, but I'm making it here. It's come to my attention that some people are wearing their body armor backwards. Look, your body armor has a front and a back. The front has this little dip down spot here in your neck. If you put on your body armor and it comes straight across, that's the back panel. You got it on backwards. Now, I'm wearing here concealable body armor over top of a black t-shirt to make it really obvious for you, but if you put a shirt on over top of this, it just vanishes, it disappears. I'm surprised that nobody can tell that I'm wearing it. I would never actually go out wearing this body armor over a black t-shirt like this. That's crazy. Bonus tip for you here, if you're a veteran, you probably know this already, but put your blood type, write it on the carrier for your body armor. Now, not the body armor itself, but on the carrier that those plates go into, those body armor panels go into, you can write your blood type in case something happens, they're ripping your shirt off of you to get access to a wound or something. There's your blood type. It's going to save time. Likewise, they make hook and loop type patches that you can put right on to where your straps attach, and that's an easy reference for medical emergency professionals. If this type of very practical, tactical, usable thing appeals to you, check out shadowanyone.com, my website. I've got plenty of articles over there from a very tactical perspective, not just skip tracing and process serving. Sure, all of that's over there, but things about situational awareness and handcuffs. I'm beginning to accumulate stories over there at shadowanyone.com about people who have escaped their handcuffs. It's definitely worth checking out. In the meantime, this is Larry Kaye with shadowanyone.com. Remember, do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing.